Roll out the red carpet, muscle car fans. The king is in town. No, I'm not talking about Elvis, but I am talking about the king of the road. In 1968, the infamous Shelby GT500 KR, or King of the Road, was made in limited numbers. Only about 1,200 KRs were made for production of the roughly 4,400 Shelbys made that year. The 68 KR stayed true to the Shelby design, but featured a unique fiberglass hood, and Shelby was anything but modest about plastering his name all over his masterpiece. But the good looks aren't what got this car titled King of the Road. The 428 Cobra Jet that pushes this snake down the road might have something to do with it. Officially, Shelby claimed the King only had 335 horses kicking around between the massive 8 cylinders. But guys in the know, and anyone who has ever pushed the loud pedal on one of these, knows that 335 is nothing but a lowball number to keep insurance affordable. A pair of power front disc brakes and oversized drums in the back, along with a 16:1 power steering ratio, keeps the cavalry under control. Now, rumor has it that the name King of the Road was swiped from GM. But you Chevy guys can talk all you want. Stolen name or not, this car has got a set of 15-inch wheels out back, which keeps the king reigning over his domain. These cars were packed full of options. Sequential blinkers out back were touched off with chrome trim and bumpers, and the dual exhaust announced the arrival of this nobility. Up front, a classic Shelby front end with 4 big lamps and a massive scoop to keep the big block Cobra Jet cool. The hood rams air down the throat of this hungry 735 CFM Holly. And the stripes, well, they just look cool. These cars were meant to race, and inside, the safety was a key component. Inertia reel shoulder harnesses and seat belts hold the driver and passenger securely in place, while a roll bar runs overhead just in case. Style was not far behind safety. The deluxe all-vinyl interior, complete with bucket seats, was set off with walnut-grained instrument and door panels. A full set of gauges, including an 8,000 rev tach and a speedo capable of reaching 140 miles per hour, are a constant temptation for a heavy right foot. Big Ford power, coupled with Shelby racing style and engineering, commands respect from any would-be challenger.